Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change your Facebook account name on Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So let's open the web browser. Let's open the Chrome browser. Search for that in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now maximize it. In the search bar, simply type facebook.com. Hit enter. Now I am already logged in into my Facebook account and on how we can change the account name of our Facebook account. Here you will find this profile icon which is your account. Click on the drop down arrow and here you'll find settings and privacy. Click on that. Here in the list of options you'll find settings. Click on that. And in the list of options on the left pane, you will find all this set of settings. So you will find here personal details. Click on that. And here you'll find this arrow. Simply click on this arrow. And here you'll find your name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Now click on the name. And here you can simply choose or change your name. You can just simply delete your first name from here. Also your middle name, you can simply put your middle name from here. Also the last name, you can simply change this. You just have to delete your current profile name and then change this to the name that you want. And after that, you will find this note. If you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. So you can change it again for 60 days after you have changed your profile name by now. So that's it. You just have to simply click on review change, and after that, you just need to simply reload the page from here and then go back to your Facebook homepage and your name will be changed. So that's it. That's how you can easily change your profile name on your account name or your profile name on your Facebook account. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.